Thanksgiving is a time for gratitude, family, and of course, indulgent desserts. Today we're exploring 6 unforgettable Thanksgiving dessert recipes that will steal the show. From classic pies with a twist to creative new treats, these desserts are easy to make and impossible to resist. Let's dive in. Our first recipe is pecan pie bars, perfect for bite-sized indulgence. You'll need 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup cold butter, cubed, 1 cup corn syrup, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups chopped pecans. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-kg 13-inch dish. Mix flour and powdered sugar. Cut in butter until crumbly. Press into dish. Bake 15 minutes. Whisk corn syrup, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Stir in pecans. Pour over crust. Bake 30 more minutes. Cool before slicing. For a creamy and decadent option, try caramel apple cheesecake. You'll need 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter, 3 packages cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups diced cooked spiced apples, 1 cup caramel sauce. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Mix graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and butter. Press into 9-inch springform pan. Beat cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add eggs one at a time, then vanilla. Pour half over crust, layer apples. Pour remaining mixture. Bake 50 minutes, let it cool, and drizzle with caramel. Sweet potato pie with marshmallow topping is a playful southern favorite. For the ingredients you'll need: 1 pre-made pie crust, 2 cups mashed sweet potatoes, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 cups mini marshmallows. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Mix sweet potatoes, sugar, milk, vanilla, and spices. Pour into crust. Bake 30 minutes. Top with marshmallows. Broil until toasted. Cool and serve. A cranberry orange tart adds seasonal flavor and color to your table. You'll need 1 pre-made tart crust, 2 cups cranberries, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup orange juice, zest of 1 orange, 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Spread crust in tart pan, pierce with fork. Cook cranberries, sugar, orange juice, and zest until burst. Stir in cornstarch slurry. Pour into crust, bake 30 minutes, cool, and serve. This no-churn maple pecan ice cream is creamy with a crunch. You'll need 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 1 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 cup toasted pecans, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Whipped cream, condensed milk, maple syrup, and vanilla until soft peaks. Fold in pecans. Freeze in airtight container for 4 hours. Serve with extra pecans or maple drizzle. Finally, spiced pear cake, light, moist, and full of fall flavors. You'll need 2 cups flour, 1 TSP baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 3 cups diced pears. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease 9-inch cake pan. Mix dry ingredients. Cream sugar and butter, add eggs and milk. Combine wet and dry ingredients, fold in pairs. Bake 45 minutes, cool, optionally drizzle with caramel. These 6 unforgettable Thanksgiving desserts will delight your guests and make your holiday table shine. Try them out this year and let everyone indulge in these easy, delicious treats. Be sure to check out this video for more.